Hey guys, so today I want to go over this mount that I received recently for my GoPro 13. The nice thing about the GoPro 13 is it gives you the ability to use a magnetic mount. And I was actually kind of looking at getting one when I received an email from a company representing this aMagisn. It's a magnetic quick release for the GoPro 13. So they asked if they could send it to me and have me check it out. I told them, yes, I'd definitely love to. In fact, I'm going to probably end up buying another one of these if it works out right. And I'll just go ahead and get this box opened up here. And let's see. And I apologize for the camera quality and everything. I'm using my cell phone on this one. And I need to get a better tripod and everything. There we go. Get that out of there. And it comes with this caution. Let's take a look at the mount. It's a very small mount. It's got the little 2 pins here for the standard GoPro mounts. And then it's, of course, set up where you place your GoPro on that. So let's take a look and see how that works out. I have never tried one of these. I've always wanted to because when I very first learned that was an option for this, I thought that was a pretty cool setup. Let's see. Yeah, there's the name on it. It's going to be right there on the front of it. And it just kind of clicks into place. That's not really magnetic, is it? It's got, well, yeah, it is. It draws to it. But it does have the clips on it. That's what I was worried about, is whether how a magnet was actually going to hold on to it. But that makes it a lot faster to release it. Huh. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out to my car. I've got a window mount that I always use when I'm recording when I'm driving down the road. And I'm going to have this in there where it's going to be hung upside down. I just want to make sure that it's not just going to fall loose. And let me drive around for a couple days with that in place, and if it falls loose, I'll let you know. Otherwise, that's pretty cool. And then, of course, those things just fall right. They're almost magnetic or spring-loaded or something, where they just kind of fall right back down into place. Let's see, how do I have that set up in my car? It's like that. Make sure this will fit into the holes. Yes, it does. Like it's supposed to. Perfect. Yeah, let's give that a shot. I put that up in the car and drive around for a couple days, and I'll finish up the video inside the car. Hey guys, so it's been 2 days. It has worked like a champ. No issues whatsoever. It has stayed in place. It has not fallen at all. There's no issues with that connection. One thing I will say is it's supposed to be a magnetic mount, but from what I can tell, the magnetic portion is just to get it centered, not so much for holding it, because it does depend on these 2 ears on each side here. You press in on those to release it, and if you look, you'll see. Kind of hard to see it right here. There we go. It's got those little catches on it that latch into the camera itself. Like I said, the magnetic part just seems like it kind of centers it a little bit easier, but it depends on that latch system to keep it in place, which I am perfectly fine with. It has worked so well. I went ahead and decided to order another one for myself, and I'll have this one in the car. I'll have the other one for my tripod. But absolutely love it. I do want to thank the company for sending this out to me. It was sent out to me free of charge to check out, just to do a review on it. And like I said, I loved it so much, I went ahead and ordered another one. It's $13.99 on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the video description if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on Amazon, I don't think you can do any better for $13.99. It's a great mounting system. I definitely love it better than this quick system that GoPro likes to push. I've always had issues with it not sliding in where it's supposed to, and all that, but this one's very, very simple. I love it. It's so much easier to disconnect it and reconnect it. But thank you so much for watching. Take care. I will catch you on the next one.